In this lecture, we shall try to understand the valuable concept of value stream mapping, which will help you immensely to analyze your business process, whether it is manufacturing or service or any other type of business process. We shall also try to understand what is meant by lead time and process time, and what are the differences between lead time and process time. Value stream mapping is a powerful visual tool that helps you see your business process effectively, whatever be the type of your business process. And that's very important because it helps you set the overall strategy before you go into the tactical part or taking actions for improvement. A value stream displays all critical steps in process operation. It depicts the process flow from the point of requested need, that is, from the time you receive a customer's order till the closure of all activity, that is, till the time the product is delivered to the customer. Before we get into the value stream map, there is one more concept I would like to explain, and that is lead time and process time. Lead time is the total end-to-end time. That is, it measures the time elapsed from order received till delivery. It measures your process operation from a customer's perspective. And process time is the time when you actually start working on a unit and ends when that unit is completed. We should always try to reduce or eliminate the waiting or the delay time, as it adds no value and consumes our valuable resources. A value stream map shows the flow of both information and material as they progress through the process. If you carefully observe here, there are three areas. The top is the information flow, the middle part is the material flow, and the bottom part is the lead time ladder. The information flow is depicting that the customer is placing monthly order, then you have production control, and then you are placing weekly orders with your suppliers. The material flow is showing the flow of raw material from supplier, then process A, followed by process B, to process C, followed by shipping to the customer. Also various critical process information such as the cycle time, which is the time to process one unit of the product, the changeover time or the setup time, which is the time to change from one product to another, the uptime percentage, which is actually how much time you are operating, is also shown here. So you have a complete gist of your process operation. The bottom line is showing the time ladder. Here the bottom line shows the time when the value is added, which is the processing time or the cycle time. The top line shows the waiting time. That is the time when work is waiting or inventory is piling up, which is a non-value add activity or a waste. In this value stream map, we see that the process time is only 585 seconds. However, the end-to-end lead time is 14 days. The yellow triangles show the piling up of waste, which is the work in progress or inventories. So you can see from this value stream map that there is enormous scope for improvement by taking up suitable actions to reduce the waiting time, the delay time and inventories. and trying to reduce the end-to-end lead time from 14 days to as low as possible. This is another illustration of a value stream map, which is clearly showing that your end-to-end lead time is 65 days, whereas your value add time is only 17 minutes. So again, an enormous scope for improvement. Benefits of value stream mapping. VSM helps you visualize your end-to-end process thoroughly, which is very important before you carry out any process improvement. You must pay special attention to any queuing or waiting stages of your process where work handover is happening or transfer of work is happening. Even if you have a super efficient process and cycle times, but if you have a long backlog that results in customer waiting too long to receive their product or service, then your process is not efficient. And VSM will help you identify areas of greatest significance which you must tackle and make your process more efficient. Some practical VSM scenarios. In a supply chain analysis, value stream mapping can help determine your process steps where there may be costly delays like long transportation times, inefficient routings, etc. In a manufacturing operation, value stream mapping can help determine process steps which are bottleneck, possibly resulting in long queues, waiting, or inventory building up. In a healthcare process analysis, value stream mapping can help determine process steps which are wasteful and consuming more time and not adding value. So you can see value stream mapping will help you analyze your business process in different types of operations, whether it is manufacturing, services, healthcare, or any other business sector. Time is a crucial waste. There is a very important statement from Henry Ford in this context, which I always try to remember. Time waste differs from material waste in that there can be no salvage. The easiest of all waste and the hardest to correct is the waste of time, because wasted time does not litter on the floor like wasted material. I believe all lean practitioners, whatever be their area of operation or business, must remember this message and try to practice it with true earnest.